Hello students, this is your computer class. Today we will continue with chapter 4 Algorithmic Strategies. Today's content is what is sorting and sorting techniques. What is sorting? The process in which we arrange collection of item in ascending or descending order is called sorting. Now, some examples of sorting. Mobile contact details are arranged in alphabetical order. Exam results are displayed based on registration number and numbers are arranged in ascending or descending order. Now we have three sorting techniques: bubble sort, selection sort and insertion sort. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm. The algorithm starts at the beginning of the list of values stored in an array. It compares each pair of adjacent element and swap them if they are in the unsorted order. Next one, selection sort. It is a simple sorting algorithm that improves on the performance of bubble sort. This algorithm first finds the smallest element in an array and swap it with the element in the first position of an array. Then it will find the second smallest element and swap that element. Now, insertion sort. It is a smallest sorting algorithm. It works by taking elements from the list one by one and inserting them in their correct position into a new sorted list. The algorithm uses n-1 number of passes to get the final sorted list. Let us see example for each sorting technique. Now, first one is the example for bubble sorting algorithm. Let us see the example. This is the array of element which is given 15, 11, 16, 12, 14 and 13. So now how this bubble sorting work is, it will take two elements. From among these two elements it will sort the elements and then it will go for the next element. See, first is 15, 11. These two elements will be compared. Now 11 is smaller, so it will bring 11 first and then 15. Second, 15 and 16 will be compared. These two are in correct order, so there will not be any change. Then 16 and 12 will be compared. 12 is smaller, so 12 will come first and then 16. Now 16 and 14 will be compared. In this two, 14 is smaller, so 14 will come first. Then 16 and 13 will be compared. Among these two, 13 is smaller, so 13, 16. So, after finishing the first iteration, we got the answer as 15, 11, 15, 12, 14, 13 and 16. Now, it is not in the correct order. Then, it will continue with the second iteration. So, see the second iteration. Again, from the beginning, two numbers will be compared. 11, 15, then 15 and 12. So, 12 has to come front. 15 and 14, 14 will come front. Then 15 and 13, 13 is smaller. Then 15 and 16. So, now your second iteration is completed. Now also it is not in a proper order. It will go for the third iteration. After finishing the third iteration, we got the final sorted array as 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So, this is the example for bubble sorting algorithm. Now, second sorting technique is selection sort. Here the values is given. Among the value, first it will find the smallest element. That element will be brought to the first position. In the same manner, it will keep on sorting the element. See this, the element given is 13, 16, 12, 11, 18, 14 and 15. So among this element, which is the smallest element? 11. 11 will be brought to the first position. Now your array of element is divided into two blocks. This is sorted elements and these are unsorted element. Now second step will be, from among this unsorted element, smallest element will be searched, that is 13. 13 will be taken to the second position. Now it is sorted. Now we have 4 element. Among this 4 element, smallest element is 14. 14 will be taken to the third position. Now we have remaining 3 elements. Among these 3 elements, 15 is smaller. 15 will be taken to the fourth position. Now we have 2 elements, 16 and 18. It is already in proper order. So your sorting is completed. So now your sorted element is 11, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 18. So selection sort is searching for the smallest element and putting it in the order. This is called as selection sort. Third one is insertion sort. So here insertion sort is searching for the smallest element and placing that in the correct position. That is your insertion sort. So let us see an example for this. See this element. We have 44, 16, 83, 7, 67, 21, 34, 45 and 10. What is the first element? 44 and second element is 16. These two elements will be compared. Now 16 is smaller. So 16 will be bring into the first position and 44 in the second position. Next element is 83. It is in correct order, so it will be given the same position. Fourth element is 7. Now 7 is smaller than all these 3 elements, so it has to be taken to the first position. How it will do is, a temporary memory called buffer memory will be created. First, this 7 will be taken to that buffer memory and that space remains empty. Now all these elements will be shifted. First position will become the emptiest place, and from the buffer memory 7 will be taken to the first position. So now the element is 7, 16, 44 and 83. Next is 67. 67 has to be taken to the taken after 44. So it will be brought here. Then 21. So 21 will come after 16. So that place becomes emptier and the value 21 will be taken to that position. So in each and every place, the smallest element will be searched. It will be taken to the correct position. This is called as insertion sort. In the case of selection sort, the smallest element will be taken to the place where it is allotted. But here the position will be found out first. The value will be taken to the buffer memory. The value will be emptied and the smallest value will be taken. This is called as insertion sort. These are the examples. This is for today's class, and remaining we will see in the next class. Thank you.